How to see unsent messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Then, click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Notifications and Sound. Click on it. And then make sure your notification and sounds are turned on, all of them. After you turn this on, what you need to do is scroll the upper display down and see if there is any notification there. As if people unsent their messages, notifications may be still in your upper display where notifications pop up. And this is how to see unsent messages in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.